Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook bacon and chicken kimchi fried rice. It's so yummy. And egg. As you can see guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. First, I put olive oil and then chop first garlic and also 1/2 onions and stir it. And then I add kimchi, napa kimchi cabbage, napa cabbage, which is kimchi, and also chicken apple sausage. So you have to make it well. You have to try guys, really good. And also celery. I cut the celery. And also mix vegetables like corn, carrots, and string beans. And I add olive oil and fry the eggs to our topping or put on the top, and also mix it in our fried rice. So our scrambled egg is ready. So now we have to mix again. Add our vegetable. Now we have to simmer it. And also bell pepper. If you have red, yellow, green, it's okay. It doesn't matter. It's kind of like optional. It's up to you. If you can add another vegetable, then it's good. So I add the rice, the cold rice or the old rice. I put that in the refrigerator so it's not mushy. So you have to mix it and well. So thank you so much to all my silent viewers, supporters, and subscribers. Thank you so much. Please don't skip the ads. Thank you to all, and don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I upload my video, you're always updated. So I add black pepper, and I have also this Himalayan salt and beef powder, and I add chicken powder also. So it's up to you guys, whatever you want to put there. And I add oyster sauce like 1 tablespoon. And also dark soy sauce is like a tablespoon, you know. And Himalayan salt like 1 teaspoon. And also I cut the eggs and sprinkle there. And the bacon I air fry in my air fryer. 5 pieces of bacon, crispy. So this kind of fried rice is kimchi, apple sausage, bacon, and egg fried rice, no? So I add a Himalayan salt. And also the liquid egg whites. That was egg white, but they put coloring yellow, so it's look like egg yolk, you know. So I add a little bit there to mix it. If you have pineapple guys, you can add a pineapple. I add more salt, so whatever you like to put there. So no, if you have no chicken sausage, you can add also like chicken, beef, or pork. So I add onion chive or scallion. In other words, onion leaves. So I add sesame oil And also dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. And the sesame oil, I add like 1/2 teaspoon, So thank you for watching. Follow for more, like and share. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I upload my video, you always updated. Please don't skip the ads. Thank you for support. And God bless to all of you. So now our fried rice is ready to serve. So by the way, this is my husband dinner. So whatever I cook there mostly is my husband dinner. After work, I put that in my microwave after I cook, and when he come home, he make hot the microwave and eat. Thank you. And God bless us all. Bye. That's onion leaves. Thank you. See you on my next video, guys.